too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho na da bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo wi asafa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.
Yo abusiafo ene adofonom eyemu nuabema ye nuabema yade nyina eye kwadwo wiafe nano a wo free mu no ne na wotweda ene yaba bepie mu e wa hanom a yeyi eye emfunyi no ede achemu se de mu hu se nyoma etwa ede kono ne na wotweda na ene yaba bepie mu wa hanom eye UTV Nit FM eye abantie na wa free mu no wono an ho dwumedi nti ene yaba bepie mu ase de yedi kankan ye ne too much de ensem ni nyina ne yedi nya ebegu apono so de amamo entimo mamani endi ye chibibi eni a yemfa enkamemu
Yenda. Nabia dumo bibi abako.
Kafati. Eyi ni abema kodo ya so no enti ni ababe pie mo hana se wa papa ye obi a mo ben no ne mo ni edi djuma no oni mo twetini ni e ho kweba ni wo no sen na si e ka ho fa.
O me chiachia tiefo nyina. Me fans fo nyam chiamu nyina so. Kodo ya fe de wa yam papa prekope. Oh boy Sabrina. Oh boy Sabrina who say me like me ye bibia. O sipela jejimi no. Na hwes na ye wa de. Ye call UTV dey with the stars. Could you have ehuri me bella? Yes one sabi. Papa who say yes. And them papa ewu a eye me ya, eye me cry ya. Me ya. I am a man, so we say, come show any menu. As na wo.
Na some one in a digimano, na like you see Bian home for
Oh, and no dear, Korea for dear, man, tisse, no yale. The Muyana some almost far from friend will leave me, yes. It's a Korea for your woo, and I'm some apartment, yes, here. Catching a couple of Marco Fibuache. On fanning see baby ye. On one home by my yay. None a cry medin.
And somebody at the Bama a year busia for a name, 1 more 18.
Busia for me more money in Asha day. Nakupon no bias a boy a bass as so. On one cousin a jeer. And Miss what G I ain't mean cash, ain't mean busia upon say. I don't know what G could do your free. To me catch a busia for the same busia funny shedding.
For a year by Bella GH, I come wood actress no, and I'm not saying no, I should come to Niso Atata, Mamma Cram rare, ho, Nancy a bayonet, Ebusia, Yantua, and Sen. But too much GH,
Yamiadum, no more.
Yamiadum, could you have finting Yababe Pimohana, so for your
Yo, Madam was met you for power. Meaning the study my mayor for solid fates for penny, yashor, yan in a quasher, and I may warrant so. One obey him to man. Who see me be beyond a direct me. The enemy to find. The idea to any pa, we are fed. The old share will be see us slash row. But my dear, pa, no don't see any.
Mamma said,
oh, there be Manti, Nayari. No moment near me tea and say, or sing home fan. A human or human, a brand new idea. And a so ko check up abana wa medi
Only way you buy a binom can say normal sickness, coronavirus.
Makolo we no so say free Ghana fa no mo nsam keka kolo no free enye kolobia yare nka ya china tumu eme na ya na coronavirus ala chi obi ba Ghana di entie o mo entie anya no kore e normal sickness ya nipa di owo die e wo bi afie e ba ho nsem bebre e na Ghana fo nso di o mo achi a obe kan ne ya nyende yenka ni enim no e na wo mo kan so e normal sickness ya e na o yare e na ko ya wa yo mechia maroni abia tonani e base e bejam no awrade nyankopon na acheche ne re no won hye ne ma se de be ya dani duru ho a nyame be ma na hode a yehwe ba bejam no awre cheche nsem ya ne be bejam nyame because see yetimi mi se nyame asem so te ase e wo se ejama no ono ne nim ne ye no ye ma ne ma so te ase
Abusia for your mamma and I would say and then a casa here to us.
Major so many of them. From Sergeant D. I said your name no quite of us name Nana so many name no in our entertainment industry mana you may not have the opportunity to meet one, but you may have the opportunity to observe what one is doing when he's doing it right. And WIAFE was one of the young chap that is impacting a lot in the industry. And we all are industry players, and he's a very young chap, very influential.
For how long now would you?
Oh, and chair be dear, but ni nyuma na wa ye no echre ni pa wo ye. Yeah.
Now, what shall a day me man to me a different because the antis or yare and to be
seven prem biasa mpanifosi owo de edamasankom won to menchire obetumi aka se o metiye meya ozo obetia na okọ ena owo nso de formula ni hu ena eba nso a enkra enti ye ntumi nka se kwan we su no fa wuye we na ye but all that we can say is and then ye nua be ma no oni ye nchen biom enti mpaibo na wo se ye bo so twede amponyankopon fa ne kransie yie enye ne wuachi ene ye be ke kansan bebre de ewo mu ene de enim. He's not there to speak for himself and remember bi anka ne wuachi asem de ewo enim no na wo se ye hwe ye fa mpaibo ntai busuan chi ne anchichie busuan re ne yere ne ma o papa ne o maame na ye mo mpa se o twede amponyankopon emfa ye nua be ma kransie yie esanse baba be bo adwuma pa ama Ghana man enti Ghana man na so enhedin industry players ni na yenso yenhedin yenso twede amponyankopon so mfa ne kransie yie
yo ye beda wase wa kwenya yenyane wo atwetwe
madam so asibe
abusia for ye nua be ma e na otis ono so akire na adwen e de afa ho ye to aso baba ye
ye nua nyame adom na wonso e
nyame adom ye nua be ma ye yade nyina kojo WIAFE enti e na ye wa ha na ma ye bebusa wonsem kakra bi ye kojo WIAFE kwan be na wo fa so enim
yo ni ma me nim ne se me ye actress UTV de e ho na ye di agro eti me nim no wo UTV e na me nso mete ha yi a wo kan dan be 5 a e ho na mete enti me nim no pa
na unim ye nua be me fie be sin
Mfie bebre because me betra ha jan mum me betra me ko 11 years aha enti me nim no pa
na enam simtwem a wodi esani no ka ho ucha na modern bo ene ye wo no obi like obinya atamfo ana
atamfo de chese bible kra ka se nipa nyina do wo adue nti atamfo de obi awa atamfo me kra me nam fam ha yi me wa atamfo
na ma we sha ya anti so ya de ti ya ne se wa da ne so den na e ma ni wo etimi e ba
ni wo ne ne ma ba ya de wansa me nya doctor ne mi ntimi hu na na ne ameni mu ane se na ho mfa no e na wa firi ne ho adudu na kakra bia na trese
na oti ni wo ni sen na wo si filify
ne nua na watwe abanti e na ase me ho asane me In fact, ebo me pusa. Fisa na onyo bi ane ho se owufuo. Yo, min kra nhye semo ane se. Aba ni se ya yegu atobe yi. Obi be ko yere ne ho. Ha obi bia ne ama me hu. Oboa. Memi janwa kra me gina hai. Jese me twam ne ma hu nkala ne ma bi sasa mo ho te sen. Obi ani wo be bo nti omo nhya omo ho den. Omo nhya omo sapo mu nsuo. Abawie. Owo no waye kontonkro no oda mansan ko mu. Nti abawie. No nhya ne ho den. No fa nso nkwala ni na mo mabusuafo no emmo oba no. Omo na ye omo diem. Ya no mo de ye nkyɛn ye tiri hunam. Anti abusuafo ne mmoa oba no no mo fa nhwe nkwala no.
Yo mama ye beda wa no ase. Abusuafo ye mama jawa na wote se ye ne no etwetwe enkomo eno no so atwe na adwen e da fa na tese ye nua blema no ono obia ente bone ana se so wa atamfo kwafo na ye de nipa de ebenya atamfo e wa babom na so eno entimi guarantee se bi obi na aye ni ebibie. Abusuafo ye to ase.
Abusuafo me mama kwa babiem WIAFE a wewu sese a tese abusuafo esu no ho no ono kata ni nua enya nimpo ene gina me nchen eni nti ye twetwe enkomo menya o tese
nyame adom ekrakra musa
WIAFE wo no sempa ena woten kan sifa.
Okay, first and foremost I would say the rumor going around say Miniani out of COVID-19 is not true. I'm stating it emphatically, say it's not true. Now, WIAFE had temporal illness, as in now, or complaining of pressure, and but then it wasn't COVID. That is what I'll say. It wasn't COVID.
But the blogger posted an edit to access Peace FM online reports from Peace FM online. Yes, you him say no one despite media for so in the judgment say if it's our source now, it's my eye credible and now obina fake.
Okay, what I know is personally what I know is Obi sending me a screenshot of WIAFE Adam for chat. But then I was surprised that blogger could have taken that because on the basis or the posts are there.
Okay.
So I say, and it's all over. Say, Miniano out of COVID-19. But then I'm saying it is not true. And then okay, 7 million out of COVID-19. It's never true. Even as a family, we are yet to receive the what they call post-mortem report. Say, minimum say omako na wo no mapakunya we say there but then for us it's not COVID. Let's just debunk that rumor say Miniano out of COVID-19. It's not true.
Okay. Still now to me say oya no e wo nipa dodo ma bo dumping Asia ha say no to obia enwen obia esu e wo ensem no die mpa na obeka kire wo mo ha say nya ene wo bisa for so mo hwe wo e wo ayefie.
The mechanic say it's a big blow to the family. That one day I won't say me counter. It's a big blow to the family. WIAFE was a rising star. Everybody knew WIAFE was a rising star. From Radiant to Pope Jones to Central University to wherever to Despite Media. WIAFE was a rising star. And once you come in contact with WIAFE, you would love him. Naturally, he's nice. He's nice. And you know, WIAFE is gone. So we'll just move ahead because the rest, we've come to live. Say there's nothing to live for. So I say because if 33 years now we see it down here, baby be done, and now we work. It's something else.
And so now we come. Jempa and now the bekai Kojo WIAFE as he said the watoi.
Kojo is everything. That's all I can say.
Kojo is everything.
Kojo is everything.
Ebusia for utie bema enuma sema workout me say bema nsu nanso osu oni mu pa wo say Kojo is everything. Yeah, try and come on so stay tuned. Mami me wakwa abashonko. Mami me pacho wudi edisen.
Me the Joyce WIAFE.
Na mpacho Kojo WIAFE asesi adai wato wodi empa eno no.
Me bra penimba.
Wo bra penimba. Mami enkomo bebre ena memfa memu efa se na wo sifa ewuye no. Wonso a wo ye ebusua de empa na betimi akafa ne wuo no ehu.
Owo de Ewrade na dema ono anso na ofa. De ameka fa ho ane se
kwadwo do yare ye no wuye na mesre brade se onfa ne kransie na wiafe abusua ye free Asamanta for ya hwere ade ene papa ne maame ebusua mu a wo mu fro tumi ya hwere ade pa obrempon kese afrifie no dupon atutu kwadwo wo de eye meya na ye busua nyina ya kwadwo de ya hwere ade chese ode arehudie abatu okunafo ne maame ene ne papa so kwadwo wagya yemu areho na mehu ne amenka mpo mehu de amense on the 4th next month eni yebeyi meba no tikwadwo de mesre wrade se onfa ne kra ensie
mame wrade encheche mowe sisi ada ibusua wo mu wo fi atete wo mu nya kwan timi amma ha ene Ghana for so wo mu esu eye kodwo wiafe ewo no ho de mpa na obetimi akache wo mu
de me ka kire wo ne se wo mu nyina fa wo mani ntu Awurade so no mu hu se owo ne de eda ho mo bia wo mra so a Awurade ebeto ne nsa ayede afro nti obi afa ne ho ntu Awurade so because obi enim da ono so ne mra be yeden ebeso nti wo a wo hwe me no nse kwadwo mra so onso odi ebeso eno an se yede ye ho be ma Kristo yie na se Awurade to nsa frɛ yan a yenya baby pa akotena yede ya hwere odupon kase atutu afra busua no ye star ba ko wa pie wom ya afia busua Asamanta mfoi otumi na nkwantanan Awurade nchichi ye nyina awre ya hwere ade
mame mitse o kasemu se owura ho pa na ninye mu no de mpa na wo de bekai wo ba no
kwadwo do ye free ma obia menene kasa ye ndi 3 weeks na kwadwo di wuye chasa wo frɛ na baby a be frɛ ni bia owadwuma ma be fa na wagye so a me wadwuma mu nti me pon a ye be kasa kwadwo ye free mo bia obi wo a wo hu ne yedi ne ho adanse ye kwadwo de ye ni suban ene yedi di ne ho adanse ye bra wa wu kwadwo wi afe de oye obia ne pon mo bia awie anadwo sabi amanfo so be di ne ho adanse no saa na fie tie ye kosia mu a asere sam ne no ma sasa wo ye bia no ame ye chese oni wa kwa ye tumi fe ne se kwadwo ni han oye nti ya na meka ne tambia se ya fie busua ya hwrade no odupon kese etutu no brempon efifie saa na ne nana ye frɛ no kofi wiafe ono so saa na notie oye free mo bia ono na me brad me papa na me brad no to no oye free mo bia me papa tena suhu obi o bia ye frɛ no ohia be ya oye free mo bia saa na kwadwo faaya saa na kwadwo faaya
ebusuafo ahosem kese pa nanso ye den yesu kra ye ja ehim eno nti ye beto aso mami me wakwa ba shonko e ba too much GH
ya enua
mami ewo mu se ye wo arehumu nanso mebisa me pacho eye kodwo wiase asese ade wato die mpa na wode enim no
kodwo wiafe abofra bi a me kire na de so many years back our Radiant Way na ne me de kai ne pa ne say no you very good in acting nti ye de no ko act fan world and ye de no ko ye de ne main character and since then he's been acting for the school till he left
nti no we any teacher which
na me any teacher me kire na de so
na pacho owu ye no reporter eba bontin say eye yare coronavirus bi na enam so ma no efiri mu eno no nokra bi wo mu sa bia tema onni ma wo ben
there be because o hwe ewu no ma say owu Nyaho hospital into say coronavirus now he was with his family and his family are still around. They will not be quarantined. That is one thing we should look at. The hospital so say nka omo handle no there would have been a question mark there, but there's nothing like that. Into no the bloggers been omo
na mami ye kai no ni suban ni nyama wotimi ye ene saa nyama ekeka ho no die pa na obetimi e di ahye ne so kodwo de e ka sese ya ho no kodwo
yo bi a osuano
Now my friend naughty. Or you're very lively, very active. Always say boys attitude normal. And is maybe I will be an answer. Ubufu no krana. The way we approach you. What they say they cannot forget. What they are channel. And he was so close to me. And they say I was in charge of drama and Sanyaman. And none interest so. And to know you'll be an open. We're very close to each other. And see, in fact, Kojo, I'll always remember him. Sandy jokes and laughter. Say BBC call performing on National Theatre. Maybe a car now you're late. You did the other cracky joke. I'm not problem. This is one thing that made him the back kind of and see they are not yet. He's always giving us the morale. He's vibrant. Papa. There are quite excursions. On obedi enim. On my excursion yet day. Sanya man ketin ketin we na the back kuju pa.
Who say ebusua na wo mo de share ato na so Ghana mu nia so na Yesu efa asemu enu ntie futu ben na wo de Ghana fo.
You say nyame na ema on one so no sanje ono no bo ni wiase so no anote no oye ase enti abanesa yade but ade ba kwa me hu no say ni age 33 no ma link it to the age of Christ also spent 33 years answer oko enti Kojo abeye ne chefa sizia Christ beye ne de enti ya physically ni ye hu no but spiritually no ye gidi say okay ho na one day emre no beso ama ye ne no asenhie
ebusia for ye ntuaso mini apema me ma wakwa abashonko eba too much GH so
ye nua
ibi aboko
mami adum enye boko sa
mbacho wudigi edisen
di nana ifa
from Washington to them who say we adwuma ewo YouTube Kojo WIAFE mumia mpo nti dem pa no betimi aka fo achega no say wo su no ho amotimi di aka na chichi wo mo
Kojo WIAFE will be to be honest ni bumfu Kojo WIAFE will be why ni bibi kra de na hye no na say why ono aye obibi kra na ahye wo no hunu na wo na afi mu no obesiri ajoki aye nya chese ajo obeji afa no kra no wa huna it's like we share ni partitu pa e wajuna mo because Kojo bae no bibia odi Kojo be she bia oye ni perfectly 100% a human being ba we dey obetumi afumo be ba da we ni njikra no Kojo benwa we ni beji Kojo e obi a on pese obe won se obi ti ho a it's like or dwendwen or easy why on pese hard nyama ni nji Kojo to be honest se me kan de bechi seriously I dey bechi
na me me patrol report bi e ba bontin a report na patrol say Kojo WIAFE ni wo wi no COVID-19 bi dey say ade Ghana ha ba since ye koma ye hu hwe enye ye bi na
me ma won ko kra se enye no kre kra because uhwe Kojo na report nko mo cho sa social media bloggers no uhwe kra ken kan yan sisisu sebi ento asum ye mpese ye beso so eno ntina ye very big platform ye mpese be come bibi kra fa sa we obi o COVID no one nya o clinic o mo treat COVID one
okay
two ye mfani me wusia emse onim obi a wanya COVID nti sa nya o clinic o mo treat that kind of thing
okay
ba emse new broker bi a ba ono pese o ye ni bibi nti eno no de ono no asem because obi wu na say unim the cause of the death now can be different now and say wa you see nti ye ndu ono mo kwa busa mo so obi akwa mba abontin bi because no ye na per viewers
Okay, now more money you juma you be on because here the show no from screens. When I'm ben you be on say in some side we know you big person.
David, Kojo you be or strong at least so social media, ni videos ni nyama idea to we ni na otumo say oye energetic obia is like us original na so. Wow. Inti ye nyina it was shock to everybody because yeah dan dream say bia owo ra fa Kojo akosa. So inti ye nyina so ye nim papa we owo so no pe eni nim e bai by nim say to be honest me catch you say ye nim say o chira meti say Kojo ewu ana David enye sisi
sisi aba ni say ndie na wo catch ebusuafo ejumayefo ni obia
sisi a ni ameka ni say ye nyina there's one group of we no ye nyina mix obi ni partitu pa ewo ebusuafo uba ye desperate group ye say ebusuafo ye nta obi udidi am to di mesatum we didi am to di setum nti de bia me ka say one day there so obi kura be che aduane na so obi di ene ejuma ye nyina ye be sa because ye ti say ye hono I say wo fie family oni o mane o ma edidi sa na ejuma mo tie okay ye ni problem say we anyway dey be wow nti ni e be ka ne say ye nyina ye hu ya akọ ye ma ebusuafo ya akọ eni ni ma ni ye ka ne say ni wife nkwala ne susua nti ye bompa ese nyankopon ankasa nka ebusua no ho no nhwe nkwala ne mai da chi bia na yenso en feel process Kojo bae odi e ka ne say ni pepe ne ye ham Kojo banie
okay
wow akola ne banyi a pepe so be du school a ni papa ti ase a so kola no odi ne beko
ebusuafo otimu say still na enkofo wo ha nia edi ho ya wo mu di ho areho say wo mu nia nkasa Kojo WIAFE wetimi efim wo mu nia wo fi despite media na ye ne etwetwe enkomo no ye to a mami me ma wakwa basronko eba too much GH
yeah
mami me pacho wudi e de sen
from Christy Auntie
Christy ye nua be ma Kojo WIAFE me pacho wuni me ne pa na wodi eno no
otimi area but na dan for bi da de ne be kire me na pe bia okọ adwuma obegina na wachia me opon na obaso a obegina na wachia me timi ne pa
unim ne pa na sese ade abeto dwa se wewu anu nti ne 1 week ye wo ha sei no die mpa na obetimi akafa no se ne suban uhu no se na ne ye bia titie de we oje na nyama de no betimi aka
Kojo die oye boko na obu ade me hu se ne bu afuda de bia na osre nti meka ne se o akomapa na eja wo na abefa no ko unti ase nso ye befa ne sa
asemo mami nkofo esu nkofo echaja do ita niwo awewu nti efuto bempa na de bema ebusuafo ne yire ne mma weja wechi ene na edwumayefo Ghana fo ate obi adi ho arebo de na obetimi aka chewom
ya momo ya akọ obia fa na kuma ntu ne yem because enye easy me ameti hai onye mebusuani nso mintumi kra endra misu ya pa ne mba every Saturday ha na omo ba no mbedi agro nti no bia nka na kuma ntu ne yem nyame pe na enim nti no obia nka na kuma ntu ne yem
mami se obia enka na kuma entu nim sem akoya awahosem so de yenkasa ho bebre wo ka na yesu na eba baba enu nti do betimi aka no no so e de atodwa ebusa for ye to aso
Already what be more so man.
abusia for Mickey the triple darling our despite media house no any Asian was and the better and come afa nia bema Kojo WIAFE home Mickey it is saying akuma na it is saying say akuma ho asem na me bisa
oh akuma no me raho dey but bibia that thing yeah.
Okay, Yenua Bema Kojo WIAFE new we report by shock to many of us because Yehuna on both TV and the BMC radio very vibrant, energetic, and na dodona who de buy ya Emmanuel Wakoye is a colleague with me bisa o kakra say aden and the banner.
Also our kind WIAFE is very energetic and very fresh. He's a nice person to work with. He flows with everybody at the office. He was the one producing me on the concept of drive time those days. Into many was a cordial relationship. All said the original would say the original way. Yeah, because Mickey is not feeling well. We have to Charlie, what happened? Oh, Charlie, I got some like fever, malaria. I'm they feel okay, so I want the house more. I don't want the minimum say. So be say WIAFE, say oh yeah, me to say who the better next. When him say normal, say young guy, stress knee, chilling near Jima or brain theory. That was all. But then later on, hearing the news say WIAFE, it was a shock. It was a blow. It was just understandable. You don't know why it's supposed to be like that.
Who say why weak be or show any signs of chronic illness and disease.
That's what I'm saying, sir. WIAFE so energetic. Also be able to be a me with sometimes at some point to be a Charlie, me call me or air crowd out, Charlie. My voice I can't hear me crowd, Charlie. My pro my show and I say for also the non show because I'm not feeling all that good. Okay. Then you get replacement. Within the next week or 3-4 days, I come back to work. And normal, sir, you who say WIAFE because so Charlie, I know the feel warm, I will come work. Now, along the line, and then the next news is that, say, WIAFE, fine, but you are Guinea and must say, you are only bit me. It is just normal thing, sir. He does his own thing, and we can't do anything about it.
To see rumors be on social media say Peace FM for ankasa na be confirm say on COVID-19 coronavirus aba Ghana has to say adane adeswa dia man ya to say dan nkofo kom na nu bi na agena atwama aye to say owo idema no nan no confirm to say
there is nothing like anybody from Peace FM confirming say COVID-19 and nobody has ever confessed that thing. There's no iota or truth about that one. There's nothing of COVID-19. I am normal, it's unfortunate to say COVID. You see, you see. Who will be there? The next day, I saw you. And when you say, those things are all there. COVID need it. We see it to that extent. But then, for Peace FM coming out to confirm, say, no, it's never, there's nothing like COVID. Anything it's made in 1 week. Anything it's made in a year, 4th of July. Now you have to see it. If there's anything COVID, they will not allow us to continue all those things. You body no. Obi on your COVID behind your body ni mount. You don't have your private barrier. No, it doesn't happen like that. Let's brush that one out. Suspicious ni obi ajini. But nipa, everything how you do. The yesterday moment say, young man to yesu so ayeba no. Ye said they be check here, pull mo den ho niema. Because sometimes when you feel you are okay and you are healthy. Now nim ya bi esi o mu ni ade na itimi one check na bibi timi sia na de okọ ntinu WIAFE there it was energetic. It's a normal death itimi tu ye nyina at any time me papa nyare me mama nyare and don see ni yem ye dey do hospital owu no so hwe nya no bibi anya no say odi an kan kwa me yebo a na fe no wabedu no ye nyina na ye ne drive time so into WIAFE there it's a shock for all of us and the whole Ghana and then the media fraternity.
Mickey the triple darlings. Dear Pana the Bekai Kojo WIAFE. So now Ben Dear Pana the Bekai say just this thing about him I will never forget.
He's open up. He says his mind, he tells you what he feels, and he's ever ready to listen. and he's easy to go with and to mingle. On share no and like yes, only on share no na obi mitimu no odi nkomo adam. He's always welcome. So we've lost a brother.
Ne yiri ene ne ma esu ebusua esu Ghana mu nya wo bia wote e bia ayaro hosem dem an dey na wo de beka e kire wo mo so.
Na medical catch ebusua sese ni se ebusua nheden. Ne ma me ne papa. Ne ma me di ne bakro. Enti ye mabusua di. Ne mum nyame no ba refi. Ye se nyankopon refi no. De ma ebusua no. Se wo mo re betumi afi. Na wo motumi move on. Ne ye no kidan kwada miensa. 2 girls and a boy. About 6-7 years, the first one. The second one is about 3 or 4 years. And the third one is just less than a year. And Sharika, you know, there. You send your mere home, man. And in your mere free. Send a bayer, ultimate move on. We'll take proper care about the kids.
Send a Mickey the triple darling. I can also know there was onyankopon ho arefie e de ama eyire ene emma akeche because it means asem no de emu ya pa so manya refie a na de beba eche no enye ye desa ebusuafo ye to aso
ma madam ase we dey kwa me kwa ten Kojo WIAFE minia abrofo na de cousin be mu but wo hwe ma minia pa no ne maame ye me maame no kechire nti ne maame no kra ye ne nyi together e wo fie baako till say owo kojo de na tifia collaborate ma owo no baako pe ti ofa ye na se ne nua no ne cousins ne nua no aye ne ti through primary school kojo ekona he was just about past 16 be 15 years. Grants and my teacher training as an autumn on a cocotina to Kojo de Minia Pa. Kojo dear no Ukraine, I'm in a casa before cry Yanti Asempa. My friend a week before now Mrs. Tabaku US or say was Kojo very much unlike him and was sending messages be brain a Kojo responded. Into me checking on him, man, I'm my friend, mammy, or picking us you. Kojo fi nti me ne kasa ipo no so ne ho mfa no agi days of kakra e je na ho nam so we dey be work related stress nti on the unrest kakra na ne ho beto no nti anche biom na your family WhatsApp platform I think after 4 days na mu say ne mama dey atoso ai machi nti me bi me WhatsApp be 5:30 am say ne mama dey atoso we should pray for Kojo but he is not well nti me ma ade achen kakra nti me friend mama no o picky na o the soon Coca for 2 minutes I'm phone so na me ntimi anka hello when me cat call am friend me cousin back and I'll confirm me sampa me dey no krani me tin ma me suna na knew say the inevitable has happened nti ye na busua platform no so be the soon my sister say US or come on last year June e go and they hadn't seen him for almost 15 years until that visit last year June as if he went there to bid them farewell. But what video so I can share it with you. On the call ride, he made them laugh a lot. He stayed for about 3 days and they really had fun. And na soon sa and say, "Yene, nyame adom yetimi share din na today." Kojo was a very affable young lad. She said, "Young color brim area near and say what dance so akoko photo." No sir. Kojo bet yira after breakfast until after 2 p.m. Now the other customers Kojo say we no call walk area ho. Walk 1 mile beyond the house. Ubehu Kojo obi oni anya ni tipen so. An adult. How to say anya Kojo tipen. And obi anso obefre Kojo I was nufi on any day. At that tender age, I'm talking about between 7 and 8 years. Kojo was so popular in the neighborhood that so I could photo asem na making. And you could walk, as I said, 1 mile beyond where we lived, and Kojo knew somebody there. Oh no, only one thing. Until then, we were not surprised he ended up being a radio presenter, MC, and all those things. I said, so it's an MC, a very known MC, popular MC. I just said, I think it runs in the family. I could have been like him, but then we all took different turns as we were growing up. Maybe advertising
personnel. I'm into the market, outdoor display, billboards and stuff. That's what I do. Busuafo de ye na ye nhye na kodwo no wati busuanim ye ya say ofrim sa abre na nyankopon nanim ne oye nti we de nyame na ye ya besren say on cheche res abre na onje ne hye ne kukum till consider ye be hye bio
abusuafo ye nua be makodwo wiafe ono ankasa ne nua ene ye ne no etwetwe enkomode onim kakra efa ho no de atu edwan abusuan ye to aso kache that nua be mama ka ba ye do
yeah nua me de Alex Danson Dazi oh kodwo wiafe me kasa me childhood friend ye na ye nyi abuma up to now say near area but you do your right to be me and obia apart including madam fikro na he na obia papa ni baby afa kwala brema ina yenena I say yenena to time worry time me worry na e para brema ani ye na kodwo ya fi de ni sun de meka say oben na obepenasem because na yenyi na che say obi a ana want to so sandwin nimpa ho eti che say oben na obepenasem me de me nim ya meka but me hu say ya hwere ade because ya kasa youth na kasa na guys na ni fi yenyi bai na hu say no ya make big blue because oben na obi a oben na in fact oni beje no ho oh actually me meeting man je ndi mom meeting around by 3 p.m. man je ndi area no Thursday yesterday area no man je ndi tino anwumre no na me try say me frɛ hood ni mu guys na confirm na it's like na I just say information yenye na che say no correct obinim ye ku no ni ade nti ye ni hwe ka ye ba fie be confirm me fifi so na say it's true oko anyoma bebre pa mitwin ka wan meja bi mitwin ka bi anyoma bebre especially me dem kasa kra me nim pa because it's like obi oni ne dia agra tambia oh na way oh yeah dey oh I don't know now all of a sudden we say youth know so I make say bibi say film na say yare ho na ma me those days na ma me to ye dwan no when fight any yako it is just say nya dia make say oh in fact na ma me kra in fact me ya mama me pa because sani na ye nim no ma me no epini pa ana influence ne ba no ana ma ye na ya fa no say ye ma me ti ye be na ye ni ji ma me nim ne me ka ti ready a ho na say nyame na odema nyame na eje ni aba ne de enye esi hwinu ayi betumi aye nyame na no nim ne oye ema ne ma ti obi anka na koma ni ntu ne yem na nyame ka cha damfo no especially Tipa boys primary Radiant Way the mates the primary school mates obi a JSS wa unim say at least area mo wa unim bibia na ma me mo mbra ne cheche ne re kakra this time the ma me no o hia yi na ya mo a yi na ni ma da mo hema come to ya
for ye nua be mai kwadwo wiafo no ankasa ne yonkofo no wo mu edi dwuma e na chese ye no wo mu etwetwe enkomo no abusia ye to aso
town for Kura, any of that, you know, until Obia 1 year and a one chair. Yanka say, card and Ako Shiho, and now Bibisa, all of a sudden, sorry, I bet to see us a few more. It was so early in the morning. I mean, we are there now in the crowd, and I say, we are more and remember and Kenya. It say, I'm a sorry, between 7 and 8 o'clock near Catro Sabia, and a number of moments are soon as you. And yeah, a cocra, and Yabrewa, and your penny, such a very young, energetic, handsome guy. Now we're free Musano, in fact, I don't think it's a Obi who now bet to me, I will not to see what to say. Obi ko nimuno, Kurana, one video, one the Numa Yesene, she'll tell you, say, he's a young guy with full of life, full of energy, you know, full of talent. And yeah, advocate to Accra. Oh, Numa, yeah. And you see, Adabakwa Peo on the Syria. He's always smiling, always smiling. I mean, Nipasano, Ubu Fukwana Ukoshiana, with his smile, you need to come down, you know, and you know, and Unkwano will still be refreshing our minds. Adabakwa Minimni say, Nyame Nedima, Onu Neji, and Osibibi Munianfana say, Emma Dinti, Nia Unimo Wayama Yeno, Yedinasibe Mano, Nejina Prenso, Ashe Busian so ding. Say, and yet, I would just say, BBC better. Now, you say, Yamina, what Jina few almost 7 or no Ankasan Sube sign, Ashe Omanemu. Na Yamea Domina Danisudua, the door about the door, ever board Domina, Abija, Yeniano, Aqua, as in Jane. Thank you.
Major so. A from a fear. A fear for. Oh, my name no frame and collaborate and you were danceman. Danceman near schools in a bembanty. Mostly near shower dance around about into Kojodo, you'll be a near name no frame collaborate. Yeah, chepa. Ni woni de sare obi aka no e shock me mejina ha ka menjini so no kranti na mejina ha me ni me nti ka mejina ha because bibia me nti ase nti no we are here na sesi a wo no den na wo de bekai oh kojo de sanya ma obi ade bekai ne de bebre se wonim kojo a untumi mfi no oye obi a oye nyama ogina ha sesi akwa obaye bibia ma wa hu se kojo aduru ha into obi a urentumi mfi no bi a otai ko ana o shesha mu shesha na mfo mu shesha obe hu se ampa kojo ni around because kojo obi a oduru ba bi a hu se kojo eba very yeah very okay put over na de ma abusiafo ne anoma ade ato wo na me ka ne se nyina ye nhyaden nyame nanim ne nti e ba ne sa ebi anyankopɔ so hia ne mo sensen ne ye hia no asase so enti no bibia mu ye de na sebe ma nyankopɔ abusiafo ye ni aba no na ote so no so a che na adwene ye to aso